Want to create amazing videos without spending a single dollar? Today, I'll show you how to unlock a free premium account on InVideo AI, one of the best AI-powered video creators available today. Whether you speak Indian Hindi, Urdu, Telugu, or Bangla or English, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive into how to use InVideo AI for free, with unlimited exports, voiceovers, templates, and more. Go to this link given in the description below. This unlocks the InVideo AI free premium account. Once signed up, you get access to AI-powered editing tools, text-to-video creation, AI voice generation, smart templates, and millions of stock images and music, all at zero cost. You can make faceless YouTube videos, motivational content, marketing reels, and even shorts in any language. Yes, InVideo AI works in Hindi, Telugu, Urdu, Bangla, and English. Want to know how to use your own voice with InVideo AI for free? Or how to edit videos fast from start to finish using premium features? Check our next video titled, Unlock Free Premium with InVideo AI. Try the InVideo AI free premium account now using the link below. Like, share and subscribe to Faceless AI for more free AI tools and tutorials.